Hello everyone, welcome back to Pouring My Art Out. I'm going to make a cloud scene because I just wanted to try it again. I've already got two clouds. I don't like this third one. I don't know what it'll look like in resin, but I've got two of them, and you guys have seen me make these when I did my clouds in the skull. I've got three more curing. But I'm going to pour the background for this, and it is definitely time this is getting warm. But I'm going to do two different colors. So I'm going to split this almost in half. Okay. This first color, I'm going to use a darker blue because I want it to be kind of twilight. So we're going to use a darker blue, and this is not an alcohol ink. It is a pigment paste. This is called Royal Blue. Wow, I'm not really getting you in here, am I? Okay. I'm going to use quite a bit of it. And I may add a little black because we want it dark. That's pretty dark. Okay. And in this one, I'm going to add some shimmer for stars. Probably not dark enough. Let me put the shimmer in and see what happens with that. Don't need a whole lot. That should do it. And it's not just going to be sky and cloud. I ordered some stuff from Michael's for pickup, and I just need to pick it up, but I'm going to wait for this to cure. And I'm thinking that, yes, it needs 1 drop of my black alcohol ink. Just 1 drop. Easy now. 1 drop. Oh yeah, that's good. See that? Very twilighty color. Make sure that's mixed up really good. Yeah, I like that. Okay. And now this one, I'm going to do a sky blue. I may or may not add some royal blue to it because I don't want the difference to be too noticeable. Save that stick. Even though I'm really hoping they blend nicely. And yeah, I think I'm going to add some of the royal blue to this as well. So I don't want the difference to be like night and day. I want them to blend nicely. Okay. See how 3 drops go. Well, that was more sky blue. Duh. Okay. You guys are like, what are you doing? All right. We need the royal blue. Okay. Yeah, that's good. All right, and I need to get a wriggle on because this is getting hot. A wriggle, a wiggle. I need to get a wiggle on for sure. I also want to make sure it's mixed in nicely. Okay. We don't want streaks. Give this one more mix. All right, and we are going to spray. Okay. Now this is just the first layer. By no means is it going to fill this up. Okay, so we're going to pour approximately at the same time. All right, I'm liking that. All right. Can you guys see what that's doing? Oh, it's so pretty. Let me just move that up some. And I don't want a distinct line, and I'm not getting one, so that's good. Oh, yes. So pretty. This is the light base, and I will do it in probably the sky blue, but not right now. Right now, we're going to let this cure. Give it another spray. Let my clouds cure, and we'll come back to it. Simple, huh? Pretty easy. All right, if you want to know how I did the clouds, go back and watch the clouds in the skull video. The easy, not easy, messy, absolutely. So, yeah, go back and watch that. All right, I will see y'all soon. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. My clouds are cured. I'm going to glue them down first, and I will wait for that to set up, but it only takes maybe 20 minutes for it to set up. In the meantime, I'm going to mix up some more resin, but clear this time. And I also have this cute whale. Now, I cut one of his fins off so that he will lay correctly in there. Is that not cute? And then, before I pour the resin in, I think I'm going to do some birds. Just little black birds. I'll draw some on there, I think. We'll see. I'm going to try to anyway. How's that? Okay, so I'm just going to take my E6000. If I can get the cap off. Okay, and this yuckiness there. And I'm sure I need a toothpick. Get that cleaned out. There. Now I don't need a whole lot of glue. I just want to keep them in place so they don't run all over the place when I pour my resin. And I do like the placement of them. So, see, just not a lot. Just enough to make them stay. clouds turned out really cool, I think. I didn't like the old ones, so those went away. And this is not as big as I thought it was, so I didn't want too many in here anyway. I think the 3 of them are just plenty. What do you guys think? Do you see the little whale in there? Oops, he went to the bottom. And now let's go ahead and glue the whale. I think I want him diving right there. Yeah, that looks good. And there's no sand or anything because he just came up for some air and he's diving back down to the deep. It's my story and I'm sticking to it. I didn't want to go full-blown ocean scene. I don't even want to do waves. I just want that. All right, now we let that dry. In the meantime, I'm going to try to draw some birds. And if you don't see birds on here, it's because I couldn't do it. So, we'll be back as soon as I mix up some resin. Hey everyone, welcome back to pouring my art out. Got my resin mixed. And I'm hoping I made enough to go ahead and do this. Otherwise, I'm going to have to mix up some more. But we're going to pour that soon after this if I don't have enough. Because I want them to be cured at the same time. Alright, so we got this mixed up. Let's get it poured over our clouds. They are not moving anywhere. Neither is the little whale. Give us a generous spray, especially on the clouds, because they tend to do bubbles. All right, I'm gonna slowly pour. Really, I just want to cover them. I can never fill this all the way because it is so deep. It is very, very deep, but I do want to make sure I get all the clouds covered. And I'm going to have to make some more. Because that is not enough for this. I don't think. No. I'm just going to go ahead and pour the rest of this in. And I will mix up some more. Get out as much as I can because I do reuse these cups. And I'm sure I told you how to clean them. Most of you know. You douse them in alcohol and just wipe them with a paper towel and they are ready to go for your next project. Alright, definitely need to do bubble patrol. There's something in there. What is that? Don't know. Did I get it? Okay, look at all those bubbles, you guys. Yucky. Lots of micro bubbles too. I don't like those. I may have to torch that when that alcohol disperses. But, all right, let me take care of business. I'm going to mix up some more. And the only thing I'm going to do with this is make the same color as the water, I guess, using these 2 colors. All right, we will be back when they're cured. See you later. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pouring My Art Out. This is ready to demold. We are all cured. Carefully take this apart. I'm going to go ahead and demold the base. Now what I do is I fold up fairy lights and I just glue them in here with E6000. That way when the fairy lights go dead, you can actually pull out that glue. It's tough glue, but you can pull it out and replace your fairy lights. So there you have it. That looks nice. Now let's get this one out. Everything looks good. Looks good. Everything back together. It's an extremely flimsy mold. I don't know. There. And there you have it. Can you guys see? It's hard to see the difference in the waters. I mean, in the water and the sky. But there's a distinct difference. All done. A few micro bubbles, but the glitter hides them. The clouds look very 3D. I really like it, guys. I think it looks great. You see them? It's pretty cool. All right. We will see you next time. Have a great day.